Okay, so here we are live on air at Warrington Collegiate in Winnick Road, Warrington. We're an FE college in the UK. Welcome back to Teach Tech. And today we're in the plumbing department. So just introduce yourself, guys.
Hi, my name's Chris.
Okay, Chris, what do you do, mate?
I'm a lecturer at the college.
Lecturer at the college.
Hiya, my name's Mark.
Mark, okay, you're a lecturer at the college?
I am, absolutely.
Okay.
And I'm Andy and I'm also a lecturer at the college.
Okay, so here are your plumbing lectures.
Don't forget Phil behind you.
I'm Phil, sorry, there you go. That's Phil.
Alright, okay.
All right, brilliant. So what are you going to do today? What are you going to show us today and what you're doing in terms...
to make a couple of tutorial videos that allow students to go online, and if they're unsure of how to do a couple of things, then with making quick, easy links for them to access it, and a bit of fun as well, I suppose. Okay,
so and how's this going to help your learners? You talked about using Q codes so they can use the phones. How's that going to help them in their learning?
We find that there's kind of a correlation between students being on the phone and them missing out on important things that we're trying to explain to them. So we figured if we could make a series of videos that shows students how to do it, we can link it to a QR code. They can then use the phone, so we're incorporating that in their learning, which will automatically link them to the videos and show them how to do it, so we don't have to ask us.
Okay, so bring your own devices, good, bring your own phones, good, as long as you're using it to learn.
Yeah, that's it, absolutely.
That's the message. All right, let's see what you're going to do, and I'm just going to film you filming, so there we go. Thanks very much.
Right, so one of the bends that we come across is a 90-degree. Simple, exactly what it says on the tin, it's just to get around the 90-degree corner. It is important, however, that the specific measurements. So, I've already cut a piece of pipe, just for experiment, just for this bend, I've put 300mm long. So, say for example, we had to make a 90-degree bend around a corner that was 200mm in distance. First thing we would do is, we'd mark on a piece of pipe, 200mm, like so. Now, there's different relationships with regards to bends and different measurements, so I won't go into all of that, but the easiest thing for you to remember is, on a 90-degree bend, a piece of 15mm, you then measure back 70mm from your original mark. So if I measure back 200, 70mm, 30, and then we no longer need our original 200mm mark. You can now rub that off. Now if you get into the habit of marking, taking your line all the way around a piece of pipe, that way when you come to put it in the bending machine, if you need to twist your pipe, you don't lose your mark. Like so. And that is the point now that we're going to line up on our bending machine. So if we come over to our bending machine, the former guide, the edge of the former here, that's where we're going to line up our piece of 15mm pipe. So as you can see, it's right on the edge of the former here. And then it's just a case of putting the arm up, putting in our guide. Now there's 3 different variations of markings on the side of this: 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Obviously we're going to come round to the 90 degree. So if I just bend that round there now. Now we want it to the point where that 90-degree mark lines up with the centre of the 15mm pipe. So I come round there. That's it, spot on. There you go. You've got a 90-degree bend, like so. You can take it over to your drawing. That's where it'd be. Simple.
So, thank you very much.
No probs.
Okay, and have you got any messages to learners out there wanting plumbing? Maybe you've got a couple of learners out there watching this and thinking, I'd like to be a plumber. Yeah.
Yeah, come in my class.
Yeah, but you can't get better than that, can you?
No, absolutely.
You can't get better than class. So, thanks very much. And for those people who are watching on the Twitter feed or watching on the Periscope feed, thank you very much. And we'll catch you on the next video, which will be in the next half an hour. Thank you very much.